The electric bike for adults is an impressive blend of power, efficiency, and design, making it a formidable option for both casual riders and serious enthusiasts alike. With multiple configurations available ranging from 1000W to a robust 2000W motor, this electric bike caters to a variety of riding styles and terrains. The versatility is further enhanced by speed options of 25, 30, and 35 miles per hour, ensuring that riders can tailor their experience to suit their preferences. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its removable battery system. Available in multiple capacities, 48V15/20AH and 52V 40AH, the battery can be easily detached for charging or storage, adding a layer of convenience that many riders will appreciate. This is particularly advantageous for urban commuters who may want to charge their bike at work or in different locations without having to lug the entire bike alone. The battery life is commendable, offering a decent range that allows you to cover significant distances without fear of running out of juice too quickly. When it comes to performance, the power levels provided by the motor options are impressive. The 2000W variant delivers exhilarating acceleration, making steep hills and rough terrains manageable with ease. This bike not only excels on flat roads but also proves itself as a capable dirt bike, maneuvering through gravel trails and uneven surfaces with confidence. The robust construction of the frame complements the motor's strength and instills a sense of durability that is often a concern for riders who take their bikes off the beaten path. The choice of speed settings is another important feature that deserves attention. The ability to adjust your maximum speed means that riders can select a mode that fits their comfort level or riding conditions. Newer or less experienced riders can start at lower speeds, while those seeking a thrill can easily dial it up to the maximum. This flexibility makes the electric bike accessible to a broader range of users, from casual riders who enjoy leisurely rides to adrenaline junkies looking for an exciting experience. Comfort is also a priority in the design of this electric bike. The seat is padded and adjustable, providing ample support for longer rides, which is particularly important for those who plan to use this bike for commuting or extended exploration. The ergonomic handlebar design contributes to a comfortable riding posture, reducing strain on the back and shoulders. Additionally, the bike is equipped with wider tires that offer better grip and stability, enhancing control on varying surfaces. In terms of safety, the bike is equipped with powerful disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, essential for navigating urban environments and tricky terrains alike. The responsiveness of the brakes instills confidence, allowing riders to maneuver safely in various situations. Coupled with bright LED lights for visibility during nighttime rides, this bike ensures that safety is never compromised. However, no product is without its drawbacks. The weight of the bike may be a concern for some riders. While the additional weight contributes to its stability and durability, it can make maneuvering the bike in tight spaces or lifting it onto public transport a bit cumbersome. This is an important consideration for urban dwellers who may need to transport their bikes frequently. Assembly is another point worth mentioning. Some users may find the initial setup process somewhat challenging, particularly if they lack experience with bike assembly. However, clear instructions are provided, and many riders report successfully putting it together without professional help. For those who prefer a hassle-free experience, opting for a pre-assembled model may be a worthwhile investment. Overall, the electric bike for adults stands out as a powerful, versatile, and comfortable choice for anyone looking to invest in an electric bike. Its robust motor options, removable battery, and adaptability for various terrains make it an excellent choice for both commuting and recreational use. While it may be a bit heavy for some, the benefits, such as powerful performance and comfort, far outweigh the drawbacks. Whether you are an avid biker or just seeking a new means of transportation, this electric bike promises to deliver an exhilarating and enjoyable riding experience.